Welcome to my one-day build. So my first thought was to make another one of those masks, like the low poly masks, but out of spaghetti noodles. And then I was like, well, no, that's not going to work. We need to make the paper version of it first, and then we can build the noodles on top of that. So Mallory helped me out, and then I was like, no, that's not a good idea, so we scrapped that, and then I just sat down and started building with spaghetti. And this is what I came up with. Just a bunch of geometrical shapes and patterns that eventually formed a ball. Just hot glued the whole thing together. And it kind of looked like Pac-Man for a while. But then I kept building, finished off the sphere. And here's the finished photos. So I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think this looks like or what it is. And best, most creative comment might win a prize. Maybe I'll send you something if I really like what you think. So subscribe, share this video, and comment what you think this weird thing is.